In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage ticket communications and share important updates with external parties through your ticketing system. This is a valuable skill that ensures everyone stays informed without complicating the core conversation with your primary team. Let's dive in and talk about how you can seamlessly keep an external individual in the loop while handling a support ticket. First things first, once you have opened your ticket, direct your attention to the CC field. This is the section designed to help you include additional people who need to be notified about the ticket's progress. In the CC field, add the external email address of the person you wish to inform. By doing this, any updates or responses made on the ticket will be shared with them instantly, ensuring they're brought up to speed as the situation develops. Proceed to reply to the ticket or make any necessary updates as you usually would. This involves addressing any issues or comments directly within the ticket's public comment area. By maintaining your usual workflow, you can keep things efficient and straightforward. Meanwhile, the person you've CC'd will automatically receive these updates. It's akin to forwarding the conversation to them by incorporating their address directly into the ticket's ongoing discussion. This process is not only simple, but incredibly efficient, eliminating the need for multiple separate emails or follow-ups outside the system. Sometimes, though, there might be occasions when you'd prefer to share the ticket's information with someone outside the main ticket thread without their involvement in the principal discussion. For such scenarios, a side conversation is an ideal feature. A side conversation allows you to loop in other parties and discuss particulars without impacting the central communication pathway in your main ticket. Essentially, you're creating a mini parallel dialogue that runs alongside your primary ticket activity. This is especially helpful in cases where you need to consult with an external expert or discuss sensitive aspects that don't pertain directly to the main thread. Both of these methods, adding individuals using the CC field or creating side conversations, allow you to efficiently manage who gets access to the information necessary to resolve the ticket, ensuring everyone involved has the clarity needed to contribute effectively. To recap what we've covered so far, using the CC field is your go-to when you want to broadly include additional attendees and ensure they receive all ticket updates as they come in. On the other hand, when discretion or a separate conversation is necessary, side conversations provide the perfect solution. By leveraging these practices, you're positioned to handle communications with external parties with confidence and ease. Keep these strategies in mind as you navigate your next ticket, ensuring smooth and efficient operations in your support tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips enhance your ticket management process.